Discover the magic of inside in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English spatial relations. Today, we're focusing on a very important concept, inside. This simple word can be quite powerful, helping us describe where things are in relation to each other. So, buckle up and let's dive inside this topic. The term inside is a preposition used in English to describe the position of something that is contained, enclosed, or within something else. Let's take a look at some examples. The cookies are inside the jar. I found the keys inside my bag. In both cases, the objects, cookies, keys, are enclosed or contained within another object, jar, bag. Using inside in sentences isn't just about being enclosed within something. It can also express emotions or thoughts contained within a person. For example, she kept her feelings inside her. He has a storm raging inside him. Here, we are not speaking about a physical location but the mental or emotional state of a person. There are also many phrases and idiomatic expressions that use inside. Understanding these can give you a richer and more fluent command of English. Here are a few examples. Inside out, to turn something so that the inner part faces outwards. For example, he wore his shirt inside out. Inside track, to have an advantage or exclusive information. For example, as an intern, she had the inside track on the company's new project. Inside isn't the only spatial preposition in English, of course. There are others like outside, on, at, in, and under. Understanding when to use inside versus these other prepositions can be a bit tricky, but with practice, it becomes more intuitive. For instance, we use inside when something is contained within an object. The milk is inside the refrigerator. But we use in when referring to less specific or non-enclosed locations. I'm waiting in the park. That brings us to the end of our deep dive inside this fascinating preposition. Remember, understanding how to use inside effectively can greatly enhance your descriptive ability in English. So, practice using inside in your daily conversations and written English, and soon it'll become second nature. Keep up the good work, and stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore another interesting topic in English spatial relations. Happy learning!